Hey guys, we're back with another iPhone 16 Pro video, and today we're going to be talking about the new calculator functions or options. Now, I thought this was really cool, but with calculator, you can now make it scientific. So what I mean by that is, let's say we go to utilities, or by default, you'll see calculator up here. What we want to do is go ahead, click on the very bottom on the corner, and you now have the option of putting scientific. So now you can actually get into a lot of like square root, all this stuff, the tangent, cotangent. Wow, this is like, pre-calculus, calculus stuff. And I remember before we used to always have like the big Texas Instruments calculator that could cost 150 bucks or something. Well, now your iPhone 16 Pro, and I'm not sure what iOS is actually, but I'm assuming it's 18. Maybe it was out 17. Please comment below. And also, like, I haven't done this kind of math in a while, but yeah, I mean, go ahead and mess around with it. If you're a student and you find this and it's useful, please comment below. Like, tell me how it is. What are the differences between this iPhone scientific calculator and, say, your traditional carry alone Texas Instrument one? Is this pretty good? Does it work out pretty cool? Like, so say I do oh, yeah. What's going to be 0, right? Yeah. So say it's square root of 3, that should be 9. Yeah. This is as far as I'm going with calculus on this video. I don't want to embarrass myself. But yeah, pretty cool function. If you want to change it back to basic, all you have to do is go back to the corner, go ahead, hit basic, and you're back into the normal calculator that normal humans use. But yeah, try that out. It's kind of cool. The scientific calculator, perfect if you're in calculus or something at school. And or if you're a scientist, I guess, and you're chemical engineer and you're calculating all this crazy stuff. Anyways, I just wanted to show you guys that the calculator now has a scientific mode. And go ahead and try that out. I hope it helps. I really appreciate it, and see you next time. Bye-bye.